to the ingredients can or can't quesadilla.
So Andrew, this quesadilla was suggested by Miss Richardson.
Thanks, Miss Richardson.
So Griddle Buddies, what we have today for you guys is a pickles, mayo,
peanut butter, and bologna
quesadilla. And at first sight, it kind of sounds disgusting.
Yeah.
But after you think about it a little bit, I mean, the mayo is the only part that makes me go.
But I like mayo, but by itself, it's probably not that good. The only thing I don't like in this whole thing is pickles, and I've never tried bologna.
Let's just start cooking.
Yeah, not much to talk about right now, so let's just go.
Okay, it's here. Oh, let's cook.
Just go.
So, what?
As usual, I'm gonna add butter to make the quesadilla more crispy and better tasting.
The two best things you could possibly say about a quesadilla.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna add.
This doesn't even look heated up.
Yeah. Why is the whole thing moving? Well, okay. We have that on there. Perfecto.
Cheese.
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 Cheese. That's good.
Okay.
No, it's not. I gotta get the sides.
We'll add some bologna or bologna, yes.
Bologna.
Bologna. Those are muscles. Oh. Some more life hacks. Just let me do it. I guess I'll give them to Andrew. Gosh, they look so big. Okay. Now add the pickles or peanut butter or mayo.
Pickles. I'm just gonna do it on the bologna because that's just the open spot. There's nothing on it.
Maybe we should put like the mayo on the bologna first. Because I mean, the peanut butter's on this side.
It's taking so long. That's good.
Okay, let's add the mayo. I'm just gonna add that on top of the pickles and bologna. Kind of just plop it around everywhere.
Go faster.
Okay, we have that. Now I'm just gonna put on the peanut butter, which he is probably gonna. I'm gonna go grab a knife. I'll do it. You're making a mess. You're making a real big mess. Pickles on the
Pickles
floor.
on the floor.
Sounds like a Dr. Seuss book. Pickles on the floor. Pickles on the roof.
What?
I don't know. Okay, they'll stay on there.
I don't know what to do with the spoon.
Okay, I think that's good. There's an even amount on everything. Let's grab Mr. Spatula.
Nowhere to go.
Okay, we have Mr. Spatula.
Little chunk of peanut butter.
Yum, yum, yum. Oh, that looks so crispy. Looks good. Okay, bring it to the middle. Let it sit.
Yeah. Check it.
Let's check this quesadilla. Chuck. Haven't done this in a while. Oh yeah, that's definitely ready. Let's bring it to the side. Lip. Ooh. I'm gonna smash it down a little bit because I didn't really spread anything around. That looks good. Okay, hold the peanut butter. Okay, then we let it sit for a little bit longer. Okay, yeah, let's check it, because usually the bottom side cooks faster than the top side, and the bottom side was already brown.
Oh, it smells like it's like burning a lot.
I will grab a plate just to be sure.
Down a lot.
Oh yeah, grab a plate.
What?
It's burning!
quesadilla on the plate. Time to review. Hey guys, we're here to review with our dad. So let's cut this open.
Let's cut it open. What do we got?
So we have bologna, mayo, peanut butter, pickles, and is there something else? Cheese and tortilla. And peanut butter.
All right, let's see. Take your pick.
Take
Wow, the table's full of mayonnaise, it looks like.
biggest pick. It's like I want to say it looks good, but I also don't want to say it looks good.
It actually smells really good. So we got bologna, pickles, mayonnaise, peanut butter. Whoop, it's dripping. Cheese and tortilla. Well, I mean, I'll just guess here. I think that some of these ingredients together don't go together, like pickles and peanut butter or mayonnaise and peanut butter. Probably bologna and peanut butter. But I think just like the Spam, the salt from the meat, from the bologna, is going to make a lot of this stuff come together. Now remember, they were asking me, what's bologna? My best description of bologna is that it's a hot dog, a giant hot dog that you slice for a sandwich. It's basically the same thing, I think. I don't
Call
know.
it meat.
I'm not a meat expert. Okay, so this is from Ms. Richardson. Pardon me, it's been about 9 months since these kids have been in school. So no offense, Ms. Richardson, but I don't remember what you taught.
Second grade.
Second grade? All subjects?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wait. Maybe.
For the people watching this 5 years from now, we're still in the coronavirus.
Yep.
Been in this thing for a long, long time.
Yeah.
Many months. Okay. So that's all you have to say about Miss Richardson?
She's a nice teacher, and she actually has a son that has the same birthday as me and is the same age as me.
Wow, that's quite a coincidence. Well, same birthday and year. Yeah, that makes sense. So, this quesadilla, what's the story behind this insane concoction?
Oh, so her grandpa, when she was little, he would always make her a sandwich out of the ingredients in this, just not with a tortilla.
Okay.
Or cheese, I
But
think.
like on bread?
Yeah, on bread.
Okay.
Without cheese, like.
Well, I don't think it's that hot. I think we could probably jump right in.
Yeah.
Well, what do you think? You got any thoughts before Andrew takes a bite?
I'm gonna go for it.
Hold on, let your brother give his thoughts. Do you have thoughts? No one has thoughts? All right, let's just eat it.
Yeah, that's my thought. Yeah, that big bologna part. Whoa.
Mhm.
Wow. It's actually really good.
Wow. I'm shocked. I'm not 100% sure on the peanut butter. But I do like everything else. I mean, without the peanut butter, it's basically just a bologna sandwich with a pickle on it. And there's quite a lot of mayonnaise coming out of this. So I'm guessing you guys kind of just poured it on there.
So before I say if it can or can't, I'm gonna tell you what I taste. A lot of peanut butter, and I taste the bologna, and I don't taste a lot of pickles, and I don't taste the mayonnaise, and it can.
I taste the bologna. The pickles, they got muted by everything. And you don't really taste the mayonnaise, but you can feel like that oily texture. And the peanut butter is like, there's like so much peanut butter on this thing. So I'd say it mostly tastes like a bologna and peanut butter sandwich with like a crunchy vegetable that you can't pinpoint, even though we know it's pickle. This is way better than I thought it was going to be. I can't believe how good it is, actually. It all works together. It can, definitely.
So, my opinion is this definitely can. I got every single flavor in my mouth. The pickles, the mayonnaise were, I could taste it, but it was very, very hard. The peanut butter was definitely tasted. The bologna was just like, I didn't really taste it, but you could tell it was in there.
Try that piece right there. I need a lot of napkins. My whole mustache is full of mayonnaise.
My whole face is full of peanut butter.
I can see it.
But yeah, this is a really good quesadilla. I think it'd be probably a little bit better if it was a sandwich. but
I don't know. I actually think that was pretty spot on. The crispiness of the quesadilla, as you know, on this show, it's the crispiness that really makes our quesadillas the best quesadillas. I think it helped. Maybe if you toast the bread. Maybe,
Oh, yeah.
if you're gonna have a sandwich. Yeah. Anyway.
oh, that's
So what do you think?
So I'm thinking it's good. Definitely can.
3 cans, that's how you know to try it.
That's how you know to try it.
So I think that's all for today. So
That's
thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, like, share with your friends, family, dogs, cats, whatever. And we'll see you next time on Can Quesadilla. Bye.
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 Thanks, Miss Richardson.
Yep.